beautiful people, it's me Pamela on my YouTube. Cho no, what's the tea? Siyahlazia. Let's just unpack on the Sports Wives. Sports Wives is just taking another direction. So on the last episode, guys, episode 5, you remember I'm guessing I to 4 and 5 because I was a bit behind and I did apologize, and I had said ngizokwenza 6 no 7, but ngibonile ukuthi igaxa zakhona they are too much. You need to sinzizwe per episode because then it gets confusing. You understand leyo nto. So episode 6 uqala uThulu went to see her dad, angithi akhumbula the last time wayekade ehambile eyobona ubaba wakhe ngendaba zokuthi angithi kubo she feels ukuthi bayamjaja and the mom is like a bit toxic around ukuthi she can't accept ukuthi she is in a same-sex relationship and lo muntu useshadile ohamba uyishadisa home affairs, they've been married, these people. So manje ngoba you can't go on like that. At some stage you're gonna need lobolo, you're going to need traditional things, you're going to do proper things. And then she hasn't done that, so she went to speak to the dad. The dad was like, no, it's fine, I'll speak to your mom and all of that. Not that for your mom doesn't really like you. Remember I did say on episode 4 and 5, it's actually 5. You don't have to be like that. Your mom likes you and loves you, and every time we pass your house, you know. So she goes out again with ubambanani ke unkosikazi wakhe ke nyamaza ngixodlalela Sundowns for women, and she also plays for Banyana ngithi. So they go out again for a romantic dinner because she's going to play, and it's for Banyana. They going on a World Cup. So she tells Ubambanani, say, bra, like this is what must happen now. My parents, so we need to correct our situations here. Do the right things, you know. Although it's crazy how now Johannesburg people are calling lobola. I'm just like, when did that happen? So Bambanani's answer was like, you know what, my babe, as concentrated in doing as a positive, if people accept us or not, at the end of the day. Because I mean, we can't be, like how she feels Bambanani, as long as you are happy, they must just accept our marriage. So next it's Chrissy with her dad. You know, we get the Chrissy issues now. So episode 5. Ugutu Chrissy has had his dad the issues. At some stage they were not talking with the dad for years and things because the dad has so many children. I mentioned it. Episode 5, I was just like, this guy 9. Like the youngest is 5. I'm like, really, guys, you are so old for those things. But see, guys, we can't judge us, isn't it? That's how they happen. But they happen. So Chrissy was like to the dad, you know what? I wanna get to know my siblings because my siblings, guys, in general, it's very, very important because then what's gonna happen? We don't know which we are related. This has happened so many times there on today. I'm just like, really? Gandhi had we controlled it, especially the dad must control it. So she's like, no, I wanna meet my family, you know, get to know each other and all of those things. So the dad is like, I'm game. Any day, anytime you want to do it, a braai of some sort, I'm happy. Yeah, so the next one is Sisanda, we invite her Opomzi out in some Chinese restaurant. They are seated there. I'm sorry how I got off your friend. I am so sorry how I got off your friend in Jena. Singing Patagabi Umganwa. I'm really, really sorry for that. Clarice so she's like, yo, bra, when some days in grouping you change and become another person. Just like strange usisanda. Remember my 4 and 6 episode, it talks about yena lo sisulo usisanda ukuthi she's very toxic usisanda. But we're still trying to get to know her. Chances are she is a nice person. It's in and just understanding. Maybe we want other people, like we want other things from her. Kanti mhlambe usisanda is nice. But usisanda and she just goes off, you know. Bomzi was just telling Sisanda, Sisanda was just asking her, do you work? Bomzi was like, I do work. I wish I was a housewife. I wish I was a housewife. I wish I had like a coffee shop or something like to do. But I actually do work. A job, 9 to 5. But I wish nje kwakuthiwa angivuki and then I've got something to do on the side, Hayi ukuthi ngihlale nje yabo. So Dipuo has the most beautiful relationship with the baby daddy ne number 2. Hayi uAndile Jali. Ingane kaAndile Jali, uDipuo is trying to call grandmother wengane yesi-2 ye-luncheon ukuthi can you please fetch them, say they waiting for you gogo to come, which means this is luncheon's mother basically, ingane yesi-2 kaDineo, kaDipuo, sorry. So she's like calling the grandmother to say both of them are coming. Cabanga guys, ingane kaAndile Jali fanele ukuthi zihambe iye kweminye imizi inobaba wayo. Some fathers, guys, like I don't even want to get to the fathers things because in guess is a study today because nami I'm there on those father things. But fathers that don't care about their children, ungazi ukuthi kwenzakalani, ungazi ingane yenzani, uzibuza ukuthi nje hayibo, why are people like that? So she's calling the grandmother to say ukuthi hayi ngeke le check nje fela nababulela ka Speedy anyways, ngeke le check nje fela hore le byang bana nje are ready to come. They've been saying ukuthi in 2 weeks time we're going, so I want to know if you guys are going to come to Joburg. So she's just calling the grandmother. Cabanga guys, abanye abantu banama relationship right kanjani life when all you do for instance mina, all I've done for the past 14 years is trying to reach out. So tiring, guys. Hello, hi. Trying to be accepted and loved. Those are crazy things. You can do it once or twice. I think I've done it 3 times now. I think we're done now. We need to move on. And yeah, sibayekele abantu. So imagine nje, like that whole thing on the Andile side, there's always been problems with people who don't support their children, always have problems. And you know what I've always said in life, and guys, you guys must just comment and tell me. I've always said, guys who don't take care of their children, I don't know why. In life, they always have something that's going to go on wrong that doesn't come right. Abanye, sometimes they even lose jobs. Like, because like you're not taking care of your children. But you haven't seen them for years. Why would you do that? So you always have problems in life. But I don't really wish on anything on anyone. Some people have done stuff to me, crazy thing. Umuntu hasn't supported for the past 14 years. But what I've done is that I've had to let go. Like I'm saying, I've reached out many times. So I'm just like, it's fine. Let's leave people to live their lives. Abantu bazenzele into zabo empilweni. Asiqhubeke no sports wives, guys. So uline umhlambiso omunye naye uke wathandana same sex relationship naye. Was in a same sex relationship with another girl futhi naye odlalela bafana called Portia. So she goes and visits uDipuo eSoweto. Bahlaleke nje baphuzela itiwe eSoweto. So Lilo is like usiyodi mina ngiqala nomkhumbuza umngane usiyodi umngane ka Clarissa lo wake wathi NM. eSoweto is so dangerous. You know those people who talk like that. But indoda yakhe that she's married to a yaseSoweto. People were like, please, you need to stop. Stop it. So besho nje udina ukuthi how must mina ngidrivele la eSoweto, although like you can't see the streets, but ngize ngafika uzokuthi uDipuo, how with the GPS I gave you couldn't get it. She was like, no, I got it now, nje sengifikile lakini and ngifonile indawo ngayithola. So what is that? So what is dangerous futhi nakhona eSoweto? I really don't know. Yeah, so uDineo ke bayihlalele ke no eDipuo's house ke bayixoxele. So uDineo was just asking her ukuthi how so sisi, can you just tell me about the boyfriend le yakho othi yashona ne? Embuza nje ngeboyfriend yakho ukuthi how le boyfriend yakho sheme yashona, what happened, what, it's still very fresh, and how he died, this guy, they shot him, they still can't even find the person who deleted him. So nje like it hasn't been nice, but she's taking like day by day. It hasn't been easy though. And then she started crying. She started being emotional. Guys, it wasn't nice. So it wasn't nice to see her ever emotional like that, you know. Naye-ke uDineo explainele ukuthi hey nami uPortia lo babe same sex relationship nayo, they were together for years until she cheated and said she was going to Durban into a business trip kanti uhamba nendoda. That's how they broke up, but she's like, you know, her heart will always be on Portia. But uPortia manje she's with another lady now, you know. And then uBomzi went to fetch uClarissa, and there is a sign at her house that's written ukuthi and the house is on sale, it's on the market now. Yo, uBomzi was like, wow. But she just decided, you know, she didn't really say anything, but wase yambuza-ke emotweni ukuthi hawu manje what's up with the house, wathi hayi indlu yathengisa sisi. Ngoba phela ngithi there is talks of divorce kuClarissa no Lionel. uLionel la spend naye for 12 years. Guys, I've been repeating into kaLionel nokuthi yena she left a job in New Zealand to be with uLionel. That whole thing, guys, yokuthi please let's stop there leyo nto of chasing dreams zabanye abantu. Can you just chase your dreams? Angiboni mina manje ngizenzela iYouTube. I'm busy with my 3 YouTube channels. I'm busy with my life. I can't be chasing other people's things. We're busy chasing people's dream. I repeat it all the time on this channel because I have 2 children in university. One is my biological child. My other one is my late sister's child. I could never, I cannot be chasing other people's dreams. I'm busy with my own things. I can't. Like, it's just crazy. But since I get you in love, so why ingaboni uClarissa, she's like, yo, I left my job in Lokuzane in New Zealand to chasing umuntu ne-rugby yakhe. Uyachisa lo bhuti lo ubihlezi amafonini with different women ebhizi. So the house is selling now. Akusekho mnandi ukubona leyo nto, guys. Kodwa nje, guys, let's concentrate on ourselves at times. I mean, since like we like doing this thing, we're just gonna concentrate on ourselves and be busy with other people. Obviously, by business it is into as well. You can be busy with your family. I mean, I love my family. But can you just be busy with yourself as well? So Dipuo invites ladies for lunch to play Lokuzane snooker, pool. Sisanda comes at how why didn't you guys invite me with soccer? Hey, get that argument, guys got heated. Yes, it got heated to a point when uSisanda was like, yazini namaqoki, like wena konje what's her name lo mngane wakhe lo Dipuo, wathi wena uyiqoki iqoki. She was like, yena she's always known ukuthi ene uDipuo uyiqoki. Ngoba sebeyambuza ukuthi awusisi wena, do you have a problem mhlambe no Clarissa? Do you have a problem with her? Ngoba you got off on her, you saying ukuthi how indaba zemshado and stuff engathi uyayazi indoda yakhe ubukhuluma ngani. What's the time? Mina ngangizwe ngoDipuo. How Dipuo, guys, pick up point blank. She was like, Sisi, I don't know what you're talking about. I never said mina indoda yakhe iyachitha. Ngiyeze lapha mina indoda edlala irugby. Bese kushoda usasho njalo. Athi ngiyeze lapha indoda edlala irugby ngoba phela lo muntu vele ubusy nama soccer players angithi uDipuo. We know this. Although she's over soccer players, she's done with those things. Even the man that she's seeing now is not a soccer player. People got off on her. They were like, "Hi, Dipuo, usazi still writing. I don't know what she's talking about." Lo, ngimazi ukukhuluma ngani. To a point where uThulu asked them, "Are you guys like real friends? You know?" And then, hey, it wasn't nice. It wasn't nice. Bekusophuma igaqa nje zeindaba lapho uClarissa athi uVian vele uDipuo uthanda izindaba zabantu kanti ezakhe ziyamhlolwa. So they said Dipuo uyipheqepheqe leqoki, and she has always known ukuthi uDipuo uyipheqepheqe. Sekusho uSisanda-ke Dipuo change wathi nje yey mina gazi angazi ukuthi ngikhuluma ngani. Hey, Bomzi was like, guys, abantu abangamenywanga esokheni. For instance, I was not even going there. uClarissa is the one that told me ukuthi, I mean, uChris told me ukuthi she's going to watch soccer, women's soccer. Kudlala ubambanani. Ngase ngithi, I know, I'm coming with you. So I was not invited as well. So you guys can't come off on uThulu and be like, why didn't he invite you? Why didn't she invite you? I saw nje, guys, those are zinto zalabosisi. So nje uDipuo naye bamgadile manje ukuthi ngathi unophiqiphiqi. Sisanda even went as far as saying wena dangerous uyiphiqiphiqi leqoqo, kodwa ngiyakwazi. But guys, we can't say we know Dipuo because uDipuo wayesebenza e-airport, esebenza noSisanda for years before COVID, when bahlukaniswa i-COVID esehamba eyosebenza phesheya ehlala overseas a bit uSisanda. So uyamazi guys, yeah. It ends with uThulu asking ukuthi, are you guys friends kwangempela? uVian was like, very good question. Iphela lapha ku-episode 6. Thank you guys.